Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So today we are here for a Mother's Day collaboration, and for Mother's Day I am collaborating with the beautiful Ava of JJMUA Artistry. If you guys don't know who she is, you definitely need to find out. She is also a gray hair beauty and also a makeup artist here on YouTube, so I would definitely link her information down below and also in the cards above. If you're interested in seeing my look, then stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds, somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get this Mother's Day collaboration going. I'm going to start with skincare because, you know, as a beauty over 40, got to take care of our skin, right? So I am going to switch it up. I'm going to switch it up, and I'm actually going to start with my Body Shop Drops of Youth. Drops of Youth. We're going to start with that. Okay. Put that all over. And oh, that feels so good. I know a lot of us are still quarantined, but let me know. This feels so good. It just feels like a facial. Like, oh, it feels so good. Let me know what do you guys have planned for Mother's Day? Or how will you spend your Mother's Day? Tell me that. How are you going to spend your Mother's Day? All right, so we have our serum on. We're going to go in with our brightening treatment because we still have some of that left. All right, we just want to pull that up. Keep that little lag away. All right, we're gonna go in with our supercharged eye complex. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with the QMS eye cream. Just gonna rub that around my eyes. Feels so good. And then for moisturizer, I'm using at the current moment is the Saturday Skin water cream. I'm gonna go in with that. This reminds me of the Clinique jelly. It's really lightweight, and for those that don't like a heavy moisturizer in summer months, this would be really good for that. All right, and I've recently discovered these. I'm going to use a ultra moisturizing complex vitamin E, but it has aloe vera inside also, so I'm going to use that and put that all over. All right, I really like those vitamin E capsules. They feel really good on the skin. Feel like a spa. Have been neglecting the skin a little bit, so not that I'm trying to make up for it, but it just feels really good. Okay, going in with the Benefit Pore Primer. Receive that in the BoxyCharm. All right, and we're going to go in with our trusty Double Wear foundation. I'm not quite in my summer color, so I'm going to mix a little bit of the 5N 1.5 with the 5N 2. Just going to do a couple pumps. And we're tick-tocking at the same time. All right, so we're just pressing that all over. Ooh, for coverage. Hey. All right, for concealer, I'm using my Lancôme color 435. Still a sample I'm using from work. A little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna do brows next. All right, as usual, we're gonna let the highlighter marinate while I do my brows. We're not gonna do a dramatic look today, so I'm actually gonna brush my brows down. All right. So again, based on what I'm doing, if I'm doing a real dramatic look, I will brush my brows up, which will give me a little bit more lid space because then I'll put my arch higher. But we're just doing just a nice, simple, beautiful Mother's Day look. So I'm going to brush my brows down. All right, cleaning my brows as always, going in with my Morphe Fluidity color 4.10. All right, going in with our fast application pad. We're just going to press highlighter in. All right, excuse the contraption here. I'm filming for TikTok also. I'm going in with the Zuri Nude color, just any dark foundation to contour with. All right, so we're just contouring our nose. I like to bring that all the way up to my brow, right to the front of my brow. And I don't want to drag this product because I don't want to disturb what I already did up in here, so I'm just patting it in. I like to go back in with my foundation brush and just press on top of that. That way it's not so harsh. All right, and then I'm going to blend out our contour. Again, pressing that in. And overlapping with my highlight. Remember to get around here. You know how you get that sharp line when you do your highlight? Some people pull their highlight all the way back. I don't like that. My eyes are already slanted, so I don't need a lifted look. So I just want to make sure that that's blended in really good right there. Basically, we're doing our blending now. And that way, when we get ready to set, we don't really have to, you know, get rid of those harsh lines. We're doing it with the foundation and the contour. Okay. So that looks blended already. We just have to set it, right? All right, and to set it, I'm going to use my, which I have in this container here. Anyway, I'm going in with the RCMA colorless powder. I'm just going to make sure we're not creasing before we set that. All right, so we're just pressing that in. And again, just remember, we want to pull that transition, that powder, over our highlight and contour. That's just going to set everything and also give a smooth transition where you don't have to go back in the face powder to try to blend both of those. I'm not going to show it because I'm hidden pan really bad, but it's Sweet as Cocoa by MAC. Okay. Really bronzy color. Okay, I'm just going to put some of that on. Alright, for highlight, I'm going to go in with this Tarte palette. I love this palette for highlight, which the color is Jewel. Lay that down for highlighter. Alright, so we're just going to go in with this color here. Warm up our crease. Set the stage for our transition color. And also bring that down below. I think I want to do something really soft and pink. When I think of Mother's Day, I think of flowers and just something really soft and pink. So I think that's the route I will go. All right, and then next I'm actually going to go in with this dark color here. to define my crease a little bit more. All right, we're just defining our crease a little bit more. I'm gonna darken that up some more, but I'm just getting it nice transition, as you can see. All right, I'm gonna put that down below also. Let's go in with the brown color, deepen up the crease some more. Just want it a little bit darker before I put my lid color on. I'm gonna go in with that brown, deepen up this area here. I'm gonna bring that down also. All right, I'm gonna go in a little bit with the black, deepen it up some more. Yeah, that's what I want. All right, next I'm gonna go in with my Mabeline Conceal and Perfect Concealer. Again, before I go in my lid color, I like to put a wet base down to make sure that it's tacky. All right, so I'm gonna put it on this lid here and then blend that out. And I'm just gonna blend this out wherever I want my lid color to go. We're not doing a cut crease. I think that's good. Blend out the edge there. I want to bring it a little bit higher. Let's see which one of these pinks I like. Ooh. Let's go in with the soft pink. Let's go in with that one. And I'm just going to pack that on the lid. That's pretty. I'm going to bring it up kind of high. Yeah, I like that color. Okay, we can do that. Okay, and we're just going to blend out those edges now. That way when we go back, it won't be so hard to blend. All right. Going back in with that pink color. Pressing that in. Oh, this color is so pretty. Pretty. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is go back in. Let's go back in with this rustic looking color and blend out the edge of that. I'm just gonna lay that on first. It's a really nice transition. You can't really tell. I am going to deepen the outer corner with some black a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. I think I'm going to diffuse some more of that black toward the inner. Like toward the inner. I'm just going, like I'm doing a liner almost. Just a little bit. All right. I'm going to stop myself because I always love to do the inner corner highlight, but I'm not going to do that this time. But I am going to go in with a little bit of eyeliner. And we are going to use a little bit on my hand here. All right. And I want it just below where I smoked it out at. I guess we can do a little wing. can barely see it. That's exactly how I want it. All right. Let's put some of that liner at the bottom lash line. And you guys know most gel liners are waterproof, so don't have to worry about it running or smearing. Once they're dry, they're dry. Do mascara. Let's see. Let's go in with Tarte Big Ego. Coat our lashes really good. Bottom lashes. Oh, I actually have a bottom mascara now, which is from Shop Miss A. It's the skinny mascara. Use that at the bottom. Let's get some lashes. Let's just do these right here. Now we just need a lip. All right, while that's drying from my lip, as usual, I'm going to go in with Whatever by Colored Rain. I like to use this as a lip liner. Oh, you can't see this. And then this one's for my last drugstore makeup haul. This one is called Philippe. All right, so we're just going to line our lips. Let that dry. Not going to do the ombre. I'm just going to stay with the nude. So I'm going to style my hair and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on the Instagram at LRHmakeup and also _beautyover40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. Turn on post notifications, that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. Alright guys, so that is it for now. Until the next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.